All right, we're already in our fifth installment of How to Make Money. The fifth installment is going to be about this thing called resale. Resale is going to be something that you pretty much what you do is you'll buy something dirt cheap, something at a bargain, whether if it's at your local grocery store, local clothing store, discount store, department store, surplus store. It doesn't matter which type of store it's at or whatever, and it doesn't even have to be at a store. You just find something, at a garage sale or whatever. You go ahead and you turn that and you flip that for a higher price than what you bought it for. That right there is resell. To resell something is the it's like entrepreneurship 101. It's capitalizing on something that's one man's trash that becomes another man's treasure. If you ever heard that saying, that's what the saying could be applied to. That's what makes America America. I'll buy that teapot for $1 and you got that teapot for free from grandma. Or I'll buy that book from you for $5, you got that book for 45 cents. Turning a profit in this country is not hard, and reselling is a great example of that.